Now, Pakistan on Wednesday confirmed its first 2 cases of COVID-19. The patients had recently traveled to Iran. And our correspondent Daniel Khan in Islamabad is now joining us for an update. Good to see you there, Daniel. Now, what is the current condition of the 2 patients? How are authorities handling these cases?
Well, Shurian, Pakistan has confirmed its first 2 cases of the novel coronavirus. The Special Assistant to Prime Minister on Health, Dr. Zafar Mirza, has urged people who have recently traveled to virus-hit countries to call on a helpline that has been set up by the government. Only yesterday, the Sindh Health Department announced that a young man had tested positive for the coronavirus in Karachi, the first confirmed case in Pakistan. Now, authorities have confirmed the cases came from Iran. Health officials say both the cases are being taken care of according to clinical standard protocols, and both of them are now in a stable condition. The government has asked people not to panic and that things are under control.
We should not be worried unnecessarily. We should not create panic of any kind. There are 2 things which are very important. One of them is precaution, and second one is treatment.
Well, the health officials are asking people to take precautions and show responsibility and not to spread misinformation.
So what other precautionary measures are now being undertaken as we speak to prevent the further spread of the virus there in our country, Pakistan?
Well, so far we know that the government has suspended travel and has closed its border with Iran and has set up the tent hospitals for the ones who have arrived to go through screening. The Balochistan and Sindh governments have announced school holidays as a preventive measure, but observers are saying that this is quite an alarming situation, as the government and departments do not have the kind of infrastructure to deal with such an endemic. Meanwhile, there are also reports that several pharmacies and chemists have raised the prices of safety masks, which is a great challenge for those who cannot afford to buy them in the first place. And there is a lot of misinformation circulating on the social media, which is further raising panic in Pakistan.
Thanks so much for the latest. Daniel Khan joining us from Islamabad. Appreciate it.